Namaskar to all. Welcome back to the first video log of this month, which is the September of 2021. So just telling you about the hardware that we are at the moment and we are experimenting on a little bit. So this is a simple GPS module that we will be using. This is an independent module, and so therefore there will be a redundancy also along with this one, so that if one fails, the other one works. And this is a simple SoC model, SoC computer, or system on chip computer. So the first beta version that was ready in 2019 was also tested on this system only, and we'll be using the same system again for further applications. This is a small camera, HD camera, 1080 pixels, and it's an infrared camera along with its heat radiators that will be attached like so. You can see this is a tachometer for measuring speeds of the rotating air blades. So we have the basic hardware with us for testing our system, and since the making of the bench is not feasible at the moment, the test bench that we were making earlier, we will have to come to a simple and more sustainable solution or more economical solution, and eventually we'll be using this bench only for testing our systems later. For the next update, it will be very difficult for me to update you regarding the progress as such, because we'll be uploading small videos demonstrating what we can do and what we will be doing. And if you're interested, please contact me through LinkedIn only. In response to the last video that I uploaded, I thank you all for a lot of people who actually came out to contact me, and we are looking for more people to join us in this enterprise, and we'll be really happy for you to get along in this journey, right? So I think that's it for this update. See you in the next one. Namaskar.